is Globe. Never ko na-experience to sa Smart. Utang na loob. Utang na loob. To give you a view, let's go to my router. You'll see, it's Buffalo WCRG. Cannot detect. Then, pero na-access ko naman yung tawag doon, modem. See? Let's go here. So here is this fucking thing by Globe. Globe broadband like us. And it sits by the window. 3 bars. This is my router. Follow WCRG. See? Connected siya sa modem, but no connection. So stupid, Globe. So stupid.